share this video. This is happening live at Agbo community in the Kano Western government area of Enugu State.
Thank you. Thank you. Ibani. Again, like I told you earlier, eyes. Welcome, eyes. Eyes. And you welcome. Tetani ayi kuranambo. Eyes. Oyo bana malana. Biko. Oh, why, babe? Ababere tashe kuku. Ochigo jivishi ane ashika nasi uwekwe. Osho kwe huga ni ino nebi kamekwane. Chief Ugochukwu of Agbo Ancient Kingdom. Chief Ugochukwu Igwe Onowu, the entire cabinet of chiefs, our guests, our special guests of honor, members of the technical crew, the traditional music makers, and every other person. We are here listening to you to present to us your vote of thanks regarding your new title obtained from the traditional ruler of Agbo Ancient Kingdom. Can you hear the mic, sir?
Too much, so how happy my father had. Oh, the most important thing, not even about me. Oh, because that year, so the thing is too much. So here, I'm very sure that I'm very happy about it. Oh, I'm very happy. And the thing I honor from here, I'm not sure Igwe, but to me, with the very everything, all the cabinets, all the Igwe cabinets, because without the no one, all no one do so so I greet everybody. My also not here present. I greet everybody. Lolo, I greet you. Thank you so very much for everything. Thank you, everyone.
Ugochukwu, one correction in the cameraman, one correction. Ugochukwu, chief. Makana or chief Ugebo. There were amendment the government of Enugu State to make last 7 years. Ayana Ugochukwu Igwe Lolo. Enugu State, Yana Gwebo, Ugwenze.